Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today, I'm going on the boat. But you see, I don't really like going on the boat because every single time I go on the boat, it always breaks and I'm stuck in the middle of the river for no reason. So I hope today, it doesn't break. Oh, it's bright outside. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Hey, are you excited to go on the boat?
Not really, you already know about it this whole time. Wait, what did you say?
You shouldn't make me say anything, just like, look at me.
Alright, so I'm on the boat right now, going in the canal. So far, there's no problem, it's pretty good. After having a few rainy days, having a nice sunny day is actually pretty nice. That there is goals right there. I wish I had that house. This used to be known as Dragon Point. It was an abandoned house and used to have a dragon up in the front, which is right over there. So we drove all this way to this restaurant, and apparently my parents don't even have their wallet to buy anything. So Arrow, how does it feel to know that we just like spent 35 minutes to drive to a place when we actually have no money at all?
Feels bad, hungry, and bored. Really hungry.
Hey guys, it's hot outside, and we have no drinks right now.
Yeah, we do.
Where'd you get that Gatorade?
You know, it's the secret.
Oh. Oh, the stash. Ooh. Ooh. So we just finessed the manager and he pulled through. We're gonna be able to get some drinks now and stuff, so I guess this boat trip wasn't after all just a, like, failure. Hey Arrow, where are we going?
The swinging bobber.
The swinging bobber of swing set.
And death.
Oh yeah, and death. Don't forget about it.
Remember, can't die, so please don't kill me.
Oh, I would kill you very well. Yeah. Arrow, do you even know how to swing?
Yes, it's just really hard.
Are you sure?
Kick you.
Well, good luck kicking me, because the wind's kind of blowing you the opposite way. This kid thinking he can kick me with that swing. Ha! You make me laugh, boy.
Look at this dude.
All I wanted to do was swing, but all I'm doing is spinning. Oh my god, what are you doing? Hey Arrow, what are you doing? Spider-Man! Good job, Arrow. Right, take two.
Spider-Man, web sling.
All right, take three.
Spider-Man, web sling.
Gotta get that extra sand on your hands, get that grip. Right. You guys ever see a black Spider-Man?
Yeah, he's called Miles.
Okay, well, I didn't expect it to say that. But, anyways. Alright, here we go.
Go. Ha!
It's not going in the vlog.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's going in the vlog.
Alright, so we're leaving the restaurant now. Hopefully it doesn't get choppy on the river out there. Otherwise it's gonna be a long ride home. It's getting rocky, but you know, you do it for the vlog. What's funny, Arrow? You are? Or do you hope you are? Maybe I'm gonna like fire you and like get Andrew or Gabe in the vlog. How'd that make you feel? You know, we get that ad money.
Hold up. Are those socks?
Yeah, I'm wearing socks.
You don't wear socks on a boat.
Such a long day. Almost home though. I am the captain now. I've taken over this boat. I don't know how to drive a boat, but we will figure this out and sink hopefully.
Don't you just make that go straight?
Oh, yeah. You know, I was the captain.
Nope. I'm the captain now. What is you doing, Captain Noah?
I told you, I'm the captain. We shall sink in my ultimate. We shall sink, hopefully within the next hour or so of my awesome driving.
So you want us to sink?
Oh yeah, I want us to be like in the Pirates of the Caribbean. I want to be like Dead Man's Lie or some whatever it's called.
Dead man tells no tale.
Okay, peace.
It's a slump.
What? Hold on. No. We finally made it home after like a 5-hour boat trip. But hey. Finally got some AC. AC feels so good.
This was you when you were filming? AC feels so good.
That's actually pretty spot on, Arrow. Good job. Wow. Whoa, I'm looking a little sunburned now after that day. Well, anyways guys, I'm gonna end the video now. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.